In today's presentation, I'm going to show you how to find your true passion in life. It can be incredibly frustrating when people tell you to follow your passion, especially when you have no idea what your passion is. While you may be someone who works hard with persistence, before you can become unstoppable, you have to know what you're starting. If you feel stuck, here are several ways that you can discover your true passion. Begin with the right perspective. If you convince yourself that finding your true passion is going to be hard, or that it isn't going to happen for you, then you automatically close yourself off to the possibilities. You will ultimately end up blocking the little nudges, pulls, and signals that guide all of us. Choose to adopt a perspective that you can do what you love. Look for evidence. Once you've determined that you can find your passion, it's time for you to see evidence of the things that you already love to do. If you scan your life, you'll notice specific experiences that fill you with joy and excitement. Make a list of the ingredients that mattered during these moments and try not to be distracted by the fakes. Look for an overarching theme. When you look at the things that you love to do, they may seem disconnected at first. This is when you want to take the time to look beyond the individual ingredients and seek an overarching theme. When you give some thought to the things that you love to do, you'll be able to locate an overarching umbrella for your passion. Distinguish between hobbies and profitable passion. You need to be realistic about whether or not your passions can be turned into a career. If you want to contribute your passions to society and make an income, then you'll have to distinguish whether your passion will serve well as a profitable business or will be a hobby for you. Stay alert to those in your life that might need your newly emerging passion, and aim to talk with them to get a clearer understanding of how, where, and when you could serve them. Finding your passion in life takes nothing more than starting out with the idea that you can and focusing on what you love.